Hello, good day guys, welcome back. This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. In today's very video edition here, I'm going to be teaching you guys one of the top tier tricks. Just like you saw in my video, you saw in the thumbnail. This is not a clickbait. What is that ingenious tools which a lot of you guys are queuing up to see, which is the trick to unplugging the pilot jet, the main jet, or any jets when you're trying to rebuild a cab. Because if you don't unplug it, that's where the problem is going to be coming from. It's going to be sputtering, it's going to be misfiring. So I have loosened all those ones out, and it was all plugged. So instead of going to buy another one, I've got to work on something which I'm gonna use to. Now the funny side there is this would have worked, but however the hole inside this very pilot jet is too small that this needle can't go inside. Let's try to fit this in without hurting myself. Let's see how far it can go. And here you go. That's how far it can go. You can't push it. If you push it, if you wiggle it, you might widen the hole, but it's not going any further, so which means it's stopped. So that's not the one. Now the main one which I am going to be showing you guys is this little guy, inexpensive, less than $1, and that's it right here. So this is the trick. This is the ingenious tool. And where did I got this from? Where did I bought it from? Well, it's fluttering around you, but it takes just a bit of consistency and a lot of practice to be able to know that that's actually where it's coming from. So this is where it's coming from. So all you need to do is just to remove a strand of it and use it to unplug your pilot jet, main jet, or whichever jet that is actually plugged. And it's inexpensive and it's cheap as hell. So guys, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys later. Now why I use this, because nothing can go wrong with this. It has a tensile strength to be able to unplug any needle eye of those smaller than needle eye of those pilot jets. Like now when you are done with removing it, let's take a look at this one here. If we take a look at it, let's see if we can see the sky. You can see the sky right there, so you can see the sky. I'm trying to show you again. Okay, we're trying to see the sky, so you want to raise it, and okay, you can see the sky in that tiny hole right there. Now let me get the one that you can see the sky from there, so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at this one. You can't see the white sky, the white cloud here. This one is plugged. So this is what's gonna be causing a whole lot of problem, and that is where you're gonna be needing this guy here to be able to do the trick, the magic trick. So that's what I've been using to unplug it. All of them are plugged, and that's technically speaking, you can replace it. Now some of them are stuck because this very carburetor here has been staying outside for more than 10 years before I got to rescue it. So a lot of them are stuck, especially this very pilot jet. So how do you remove them? Well, let me say the regular using a screwdriver is gonna ruin it. So I made a video specifically on how to be able to loosen that, and I'm gonna show you some of the ones which I've tried that is about to ruin. This one came out just a bit. You can see how shredded some of the part is. Now let me show you another one so you can see. You can see this one. This one is almost impossible to get out. You can see how widened that is because it was really hard. Now if I show you this one came out easily. All of them are not gonna play the same. So if you want to know how to get this out without breaking it, because if you break it, then you damage that carburetor right there. You can do anything, but breaking it is the last thing you want to do, trust me. So go and watch that very video, which I'm going to be linking in the description below. And I'm going to see you guys later. Bye for now. Bye.